Esther Lungu accused of blocking entry into Zambia, says Mnangagwa's ambassador. The 10th of August 2025, Mnangagwa's special envoy and ambassador-at-large, Hubert Angel, has claimed that former Zambian First Lady Esther Lungu personally tried to block his entry into Zambia during the tenure of her husband, former President Edgar Lungu, speaking at a rally in Zambia yesterday. His first exclusive public gathering in the country, Angel thanked current President Hakainde Hichilema for lifting what he described as a politically motivated travel ban. Maybe you might think, oh, maybe this is from this political party. I also want to thank President HH for allowing me to come here. Angel said, I was prevented from coming into this country for years. We could have done Kitwe way back. There are people you put in power who can have a grudge. And because of that, I just want to thank President HH for canceling the ban. He alleged that during a previous visit under Lungu's administration, he was met at the airport by the former president and his wife, who, he said, tried to have him deported. They tried to kill me. I went to Zambia in the days of Lungu, and I found him and his wife waiting at the airport. His wife was waiting there, trying to kick me back. They said, we don't want you, Angel recounted. The rally marks the first time in history that a sitting Zimbabwean ambassador-at-large has addressed an exclusive crowd in Zambia. Stay informed, like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more updates from Zim News Live YTS.